Hey friends, this is Lou Bohr. As you know, I travel between 250 and 300,000 miles a year, and air travel at its best is wearisome. And two of the things that you fear most when you travel, one of them is jet lag. The second one is getting sick in a foreign country. So I'd like to introduce you to a great friend, a family friend, and a personal friend, Patty Milligan, who's a nutritionist with a great new product that I just cannot wait to try out. Patty.
Oh, thank you so much for having me. And I'm like you, being a travel warrior, I developed this 3 years ago to help people travel with the resilience that when they land, they feel as good as when they got on the plane.
Mm.
So it's a three-step process. You take something before you get on for your nervous system
Right.
and your immunity, something mid-flight, and when you land, help your cells take out the trash. You take something to help detoxify.
Patty, tell my friends how they can get this.
Sure. So we have a website. So it's jetrenewalkit.com. And for all of your tribe and wonderful members out there, I'd love to offer a promo code, which is family. And they get 20% off and we pay the shipping.
Whoa, 20% off and a free kit. That's great. So the other thing that's really great about this is that it's the equivalent of 5 round trips for a very, very low price. And so I can't wait to travel again just to try it. Thank you.
Thank you.